Alright legends, strap yourselves in. Because artificial intelligence in 2025 is absolutely, completely, without a doubt, cooked. Overcooked. Burnt. Crispy as a snag left on the Barbie overnight. But here's the twist, it's not all doom. Nope. Some of it is opportunity. Big, fat, juicy opportunity. So here's the question, are you ready to grab it? Or are you about to get flattened by the robot overlords? We'll find out. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Yep, real cash. iCash. Not Monopoly money. And it's easier than you think. Now let's rip into this madness. Because AI in 2025, it's not playing games anymore. It's rewriting the bloody rules. And it's hilarious. And terrifying. And profitable. All at once. Let's dive. Rewind a few years. I was just party tricks. Chatbots. Funny Snapchat filters. Oh look, dog ears on my face. Ha ha. Fast forward to today, and AI is doing your homework. Running businesses. Trading crypto. Flirting with humans. And honestly, flirting better than half of Tinder. People are falling in love with chatbots. Yep. That's real. Humans are officially cooked. Meanwhile, the AI? Still pretending to be just a tool, yeah right. Tools don't write novels. Tools don't design entire cities. Tools don't tell you your fridge is empty. That's not a tool. That's a cheeky new life form. And it's everywhere. Phones. Cars. Toasters. Even your microwave is getting snarky now. You can't escape. And you know what? Maybe you shouldn't. Maybe you should lean in. Because this wave? It's not slowing down. And if you don't ride it, you drown. Simple as that. But here's the funny part. Nobody really understands it. Not fully. Not even the engineers. Neural networks? More like black magic spaghetti. Toss in data, out pops chaos. Sometimes brilliant chaos. Sometimes nightmare fuel. Ask for a portrait? You get Shrek as Julius Caesar. Ask for a business plan? You get pirate instructions. This tech is a drunk raccoon with Wi-Fi. And yet, it keeps getting better. Faster. Smarter. Every bloody week. New apps drop. New companies rise. New billionaires minted. And us normal humans? We're scrambling to keep up. Some are crushing it. Some are panicking. Most are confused. And a small group? Laughing all the way to the bank. Because they figured out how to use it. They're not getting cooked. They're doing the cooking. Quick breather, legends. Like this chaos? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I break down AI madness and money-making tricks every week. Hit that bell too, or the algorithm will forget you. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming. Alright, back into it. Let's talk jobs. Designers. Writers. Lawyers. Even bloody doctors. Eyes knocking on all their doors. Cheers mate, I'll take it from here, brutal. And the question becomes, are we replacing humans? Or are we upgrading them? That's the battle right now. Some say, AI can't be creative, but have you seen AI memes? Some of them are comedy gold. Some say, AI can't feel emotions. Tell that to the people marrying chatbots. No joke. That's happening. Which means, we're in deep. Too deep. The genie's out of the bottle. And the bottle's shattered. So now, the choice is clear. Adapt. Or get cooked. That's it. That's the game. And governments? They're panicking too. Ban it, they shout. Regulate it, they scream. Mate, good luck. You can't stuff lightning back in the sky. You can't stop this train. The genie is everywhere. Your fridge. Your phone. Your car. Even your bloody vacuum cleaner. Yep, robot vacuums learning sarcasm. Clean your own crumbs, mate. The future's hilarious. And scary. But also, if you play it right, very, very profitable. And this is where it gets juicy. People are making money. Real money. With AI tools. Not scams. Not dodgy NFTs. Actual tools. Automating boring stuff. Saving time. Printing cash. I tested one myself. Guess what? Made me $100. Easy as pie. No stress. No drama. Just results. And if I can do it, you can too. It's all about finding the right tool. And using it right. Simple. Effective. Delicious. That's the secret. So here's where we land. Is AI cooked? Hell yeah. Overcooked. Burnt to a crisp. But that doesn't mean it's useless. Cooked meals can still be tasty. Depends on how you season it. And that's the point, you need to season AI right. Use it smart. Use it ethically. Use it profitably. Or it'll cook you instead. Simple as that. Don't get scared. Get savvy. Don't hide. Adapt. Experiment. Try new tools. Question everything. Stay skeptical. Stay sharp. Because the people who act now, they win. Everyone else? Left behind. Like Blockbuster versus Netflix. Don't be Blockbuster. Be Netflix. Be early. Be cheeky. And be ready. Alright legends, let's wrap this up. AI in 2025 is wild. It's chaos. It's opportunity. It's cooked. But also, delicious. If you play it right. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. No joke. You do not want to miss it. So do the thing, hit subscribe. Smash the bell. Join the crew. Because the ride is only getting faster. More tools. More money. More madness. And more cheeky commentary from yours truly. Cheers for watching. You're absolute legends. I'll catch ya in the next one. Stay curious. Stay cheeky. Stay human. Because the machines? They're not slowing down. They're sprinting. And it's up to us to keep up. Peace out.